My stack won't growing, I had to keep it going. Police lot half my G, still my team ain't folding. And she say, baby please stay. Baby girl, this life I live, my trap on replay. My stack won't growing, I had to keep it going. Police lot half my G, still my team ain't folding. And she say.
So guys, today we're going to be doing a video shoot, just shoot some reels on this A45. This is one of the UK's fastest A45 AMGs. Just look at it, bro. Even looks like the UK's fastest A45 AMG. So this is stage 3 with methanol injection and upgraded turbos. You already know this thing's rapid. And we're just going to be doing some reels on it and show you guys how to record, etc. for your TikToks and your Instagram. And maybe in the video I might do some behind the scene editing as well, just to show you guys how to edit some of your reels. And yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe. And yeah, I got these t-shirts, so if you want to support, man, grab one. There's a link below on the YouTube video. So we're in Birmingham town. We're going to go to 2-3 locations. So with the reels, it's all about the clips. Take a lot of clips, show the angles of the car, obviously unique bits like, for example, spoilers, carbon bits, show them off. And always try to move in one motion. Obviously in edit, you can make it look sick, which I'm going to show you guys later on. This is Birmingham town, so that's all you ever hear. So yeah, the first clip I'm just going to be walking towards the car very slowly. With the videography, it's all in the knees, you know, all in the knees. So as long as you're walking straight, I don't really like using a gimbal when I'm doing my TikToks and my reels. I feel like you get more control with your hands and more freedom. So let me just show you the first clip. Always click on your phone, hold it down slightly. So with this first shot, you want to make sure you're walking nice and slow towards the vehicle, trying not to shake your hands too much. So what I'm doing here is I'm walking around the car and slowly moving into cool parts like the wheels, the grille, etc. Trying to show off the vehicle and walk all the way around and just transition around, and then it will look something like this.
Who the fuck made this shit?
So that was the final edit, guys. But before we do anything, look at the bunda. Everyone taking the bunda right now. You can literally look at that bunda all day. But let's carry on with the video. So this clip here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys like another transition that I did. As you can see, I'm looking quite funny, spinning around the wheels, spinning here again. Just got to make sure you don't break your back. But yeah, let me show you the results. Here's another simple shot. Go close to your subject and literally pan either to the left or the right, and this is what you'll get. So we're in this location. It's like a little man cave. You just show them around. We've got graffiti. It just looks proper mean, especially with this black A45. Pictures and videos are just going to look crazy. This thing is crazy loud. It's going to get like a little slow-mo coming down from here, and then hopefully park it up there and get some more still shots. Okay, let's start this one. Look how sick this looks coming down this ramp, bruv. This is next level, man. We were indecisive where to park it, in that corner, in this corner. So we parked it here. We got a bit of a puddle here, so we're gonna try to do as close to the water as possible and try to get like a reflection shot. I'll put that on the screen now for you guys. This carbon bonnet, and also got a carbon wing. Camera, I'm going to show you some zooming. Oh, all the wrong clips. But yeah, they're a bit like the same bonnet as mine. He's also got a wing, so it looks sick. But you know, carbon is one of the hardest things to capture because it just looks grey in pictures, especially on iPhones. So we need to try and make it work, keep the brightness up. And yeah, we're going to spin the car around, get some shots at the back. Yeah, so when you're out shooting, always look at your surroundings, use stuff like this. Pan it through and just use subjects as well. So wherever you see, wherever you are in the location, we're going to use this, we're going to pan out and get the back shot. So So we came across this ocean. So what I did, I got down low with the puddle there. We got a nice reflection shot, and because it was a low shot, the headlights, it added an extra effect. Just look how sick this looks. I put it in landscape for you here now, and I'm going to show you a portrait version for your Instagram and your reels. Bro, that looks crazy, man. That reflection. Jeez! It's all about the angles. Even if you have to climb a mountain to get that shot, make sure you do it. Don't worry about your footwear or what you're wearing. Just gotta do it. Yes, I'm climbing this mountain here. I'm gonna get some high-low shot. Here's the result. As you can see, it gives you a different feel to the car, to the surroundings, gives you a different view. Let me show you the final clip that we did in this location. Yes, Yuvraj, how are you finding the A45 experience? Stage 3. Give us your opinions. Look at the smile. His smile says it all. Yeah, the seats are sick though, innit? It's mad. So we just had another location. The sun's come out. Check out the beautiful sunset. This car was loud, man. He was sending it on the way. Got some rollers as well. I swear to God, yeah, you know this shape A-classes and A45s, the meanest looking ones, you know, the new ones, they don't compete. You can agree in it on that. The new ones, they don't look at me. Bro, when I'm looking at this in the mirror, it looks like a beast, bro. You want to see the new A-classes? Yeah, they look alright, but they don't look pissed off. You know, these cars, they look pissed off. So another important thing when it comes to shooting cars is the interior. Don't forget to obviously highlight the interior if it's got any carbon bits. For example, this got some crazy flipping bucket seats. But yeah, them bucket seats are crazy. Just remember to record stuff like that. So in the video, you just add a few more things. It's not just outside. Yeah, so that's the MEF kit. So what that does is increase the boost and just help the cooling. Well, that stuff is expensive, man. I was just speaking to the owner here. £60 for how many litres? 20 litres. 20 litres for £60, and it goes rapid. Rapid can go in an hour, 2 hours. Crazy, man. You know what? When you have that though, no one's got that, bro. Yeah, no one's got that. Who do you know who has that in their boot? That's crazy. Finishing off here on this last location with the sunset.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride. Who the fuck made this shit?
So let's jump right into the editing now. You want to, firstly, what I do is I put all my clips together and edit out the ones I like, and the ones I don't like, I get rid of them. And then secondly, you want to choose your music, so depending on what you like. And yeah, then after you put all your clips together and you put them into order, you want to click on the clip, and we're going to do something called speed ramp. So you click on speed and curve, and then I normally use bullet and then I edit it to how I want, but you can always do the custom one as well, which is over here. How I like this video, I wanted it to move in quite fast and then go in slow, and then move fast again towards the grill, and then slow down slightly towards the end, back to normal pace. Yep, I just done a little effect when it comes in, so it's called turbulence. To add that, you click on it, animation, and just scroll down to whichever effect you like, but I use turbulence for this one. And then here I've done a reverse, but that's a bit more complex. So if you want a full editing tutorial, etc., just let me know in the comments. And then here again, we're doing speed ramp. So we started off quite quick and then we slowed down towards the end. Oh yeah, I've done a little logo flick thing here. If you guys want a tutorial as well on that, just let me know in the comments. Most of them are just literally bullet, so you want to click on it, speed, curve, bullet. So normally how it will be is if I just reset it, it will be like this. So what to do is click on this one here, delete it, click on this one here, and then delete it, and you'll get a nice smooth effect just like this here. With these ones, for example, let me show you here. You just want to play around with the graph. So I quite like this. So up, down, up, down, up. But you just literally, it's all about trial and error. You want to mess around with it, see what works, see what looks good. You don't want it too choppy.
So let's do another little edit together for the second location. So move on to the second clip. I'm just going to do like a little breakdown for you guys. So I've put all my clips in already. So if I just show you now, if I swipe through this slowly, you can kind of get a feel for how you want the video and how fast where you want it sped up and where you want it slowed down. Then we click on it and I'll show you the full breakdown here. Edit. So this one, as you can see, has got a lot going on. We move from quite slow to fast. I'm not sure if you guys notice now, the pattern in my editing style is always like this curvature style, like the ocean, like waves. Yeah, so after you've done that, what you want to do to all your clips where you're moving is click on it, scroll down to motion blur, and then add motion blur. Add depending on how fast you moved, but that is like that is a game changer. Motion blur is literally a game changer. Trust me, always use it. And look how sick this next effect is. So the car's looking quite evil with the front lights. So I added some lightning effects. So if you guys remember from earlier, I showed you guys the little pan shot where you move slightly to the left or the right. So if you do all your shots in one direction, you can create something sick like this. And it's literally really simple, guys. Editing is all in the practice. So I am going to just end the video up here. If you got any questions for me, just drop me a message on Instagram. I'll put my @ down below here. And if you do want some more editing videos, let me know in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And peace.
Yeah.